A collaborative robot does not make the station safe by itself. In the first cell, the tool is a row of pins, setting screws onto a block. The part is on a moving conveyor. Whether the arm can hit a person is one question. The pinch against the line is another. The second cell swaps the tool, the same class of arm, tightening and oil pan. Tightening brings reaction torque, which is not the same risk as a collision. There is a light curtain here, but fitting a guard is not finishing the assessment. Force limits and the assessment file are not visible. Check them in the documents. The third cell is fully enclosed, and the reason is not the arm. The process runs high-pressure air and water mist, so nobody belongs inside. Same class of arm, 3 cells, completely different risks. Assess the task. Send the cell layout, part temperature, and how people walk past.